Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the steps to hide your birthday on the X app. Whether you're looking to maintain privacy or simply prefer not to share personal details, this quick tutorial will help you secure your information. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. Once the app is launched, locate your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen and tap on it. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on the Edit Profile button. You'll find this option near the top of your profile screen. Once inside the editing menu, look for the Date of Birth section and tap on it. Now, you'll see a section labeled Who Can See This? Here's where you can adjust the visibility settings for your birthday. Start by tapping on Month and Day. From the options provided, select Only You. This ensures that no one else can view this part of your birthday. After that, tap on Year and again choose Only You. This keeps your birth year private as well. Once you've made these changes, tap on Continue and then hit Save. Congratulations! You've successfully hidden your birthday from others on X. By following these steps, your birthday will remain private, giving you greater control over your personal information. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it. Stay safe and enjoy using X.